Oh my god. What the fuck? Dude, you hit a fucking... There's a railing here.
Oh, shit. Oh. Dude, save that, bro.
Wait, is it... Wait, record.
Yo, I completely destroyed the truck.
Are you serious?
Yeah, bro.
Oh.
Oh my fucking god, bro. That was for ATVs, bro. Dude, I thought this was for a truck. There's no way a truck can go down here. That shit came out of nowhere. Did you see that? I didn't see that. Oh, man. Rip the TRX, y'all. Holy shit. Game over. Time to get a new door. I try to open the window. Oh my gosh. It won't open. Wait, force it. Can you force it? Oh, bet. No. Oh.